So Aaron is underneath there doing the oil pressure sensor. Which is in a very tiny little hole, but it is reachable. I have replaced the valve solenoid. We have replaced the tables on the left, the tables on the right tire is already back on. Next, we do the headlights, and then we're done for the night. All right, so the thick wall socket didn't work, but the thin wall socket
Give me the
got on.
universal joint 3/8, please.
The thin wall socket got on. Now if I give him this universal 3/8 joint, he might be able to... Like and subscribe, guys. Press the notification bell. I know it sounds dumb. I know everyone's tired of hearing it. It does help us. It helps us so much. Get the angle he needs. The length to crack it. Let's hear a crack. Let's hear the noise that we're looking for. It came off. Yay! Now the new part is here. Just a new little sensor. And see, these sensors come with actual part numbers, whereas the cheaper ones, wow, I really cut my hands up today. Whereas the cheaper Chinese ones didn't even come with any markings on them. So let's pray that this is a higher quality one. And also it's from A Premium, so I'm pretty sure it's the highest quality on the market.
Oh, yeah.
Uh-huh.
As good as OEM.
Exactly. I think OEM people actually get from A Premium.
You lying ass bitch.
Yes, without question. Right from China for their Japanese car. This is not easy at all here.
Remember, you have to get the new one in.
That's what concerns me, and the amount of oil that's going to fall on my face is also concerning. Where's the new part?
Here you go.